tutorial is the solution for 4.4 in the boundary. So we're going to start the 2D sketch. Remarkably enough, we will click on the XY plane as we so often do. And this time, instead of imagining that we're standing at A, we're going to imagine that we're standing at B and draw the L sort of shape. So for something different, let's do it with two rectangles. Like so. That'll do. Hit X and trim out that and that respectively. Put it on general dimension. Do the main outside dimensions first, so that's 56. Enter. It's nice how it grows proportionally like that, isn't it? This one here is 58. The height is 16 of this bottom leg here. 16. And this one here is 8. Okay, all good. Finish this sketch. We'll extrude this now. So select the profile. The value of the extrusion is 70. Next we want to create the cutter and this face here. Start a 2D sketch on this face, like so. Rectangle tool to put a rectangle here. Round about there's pretty good. Right click, choose general dimension. So the that is 26 there. The distance from here to here is 12, and the same on the other side. So 12. We'll complete the sketch. We'll finish it. Hit extrude, select the profile, set it to cut through everything. Nearly there. Last we have to do the dovetail part of the dovetail template, which it's pretty straightforward, but being that we're quite lazy, I'm just going to draw half of it. So we're going to start a 2D sketch on here. Just rotate it around a little bit so I can see what I'm doing better. So we're sketching on this profile here. We're going to draw somewhere on here like a half of this dovetail sort of thing, something like that. Okay, so we think this looks pretty good, but if we go to the top view, we'll see it's far from good actually. So to get this so that it's like a straight vertical line, we're going to use one of these constraints here. So a constraint is a rule that says that no matter what happens, this condition must occur on this particular element, which sounds a bit vague, but it's simply this. If I click on vertical constraint and then click on this line will become vertical. Similarly, this line here, when I choose the horizontal constraint, will always remain horizontal. You can obviously think of dimensions as constraints as well when it comes to that sort of thing. So this one is 9, and the overall length is 34, and this is 20. Okay, so it's about right, but it's sort of not in the right spot, so we'll use some dimensioning to get it in the right spot. So let's go from here to here and make that 18, and then this here to here this is 30. And that looks about right. So that's 20, 34, 9, 18 in, and 30 to the center. Okay, so let's rotate this around and finish the sketch. I have a bad feeling about this. Okay, so anyway, we're going to extrude this as a cut to everything again. And then instead of redrawing this, we're going to use mirror. Select the feature, click on where it says mirror plane, select the mirror plane, and then choose OK. Yeah, this is clearly not correct. So we need to go back to extrusion 1 here, I think, and check that those dimensions are right. So right click on it and go to edit sketch. It's 68, not 58. Finish the sketch. And there we go, that's better. Okay. Till next time.